Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this section with the options. And the first option from the left is the timer, so this clock icon. All we have to do is to tap on it, and as you can see, we've got more options. We've got 4 in total, so the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. As you can see, this icon will change a little bit to show you that you've got the timer set, and then simply tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so the photo has been taken. Of course you can pick any option, for example off also, so from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any countdown. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.